Hello boys and girls, this is KD from KDFxacademy. In today's video I am going to share with you how to day trade using simple price action with the example of just two trades which I have taken on GBPUSD and USDCHF. So let's start without wasting the time. So the first we will discuss the USDCHF trade. And here you can see I got a daily 1 2 3 on GBPUSD. After daily 1 2 3 I went to the 4 hourly. You see after the daily 1 2 3 and 2 to 3 line break, then I just went to the 4 hourly, and on 4 hourly I waited for the 4 hourly trend line in combination with the 36 EMA to be broken. As soon as that is broken by the price, I just went directly to the 1 hourly, and in 1 hourly you see this was the first 1 2 3 which I missed because at that time I was sleeping. That was my sleeping time. Then I waited for the another 1 2 3 close to the 4 hourly trend line break. And whenever that 1 2 3 has been happened just close to the trend line break, I just taken the entry. And if you want to do a swing trade, you can take it directly on the 1 hourly to target the daily support and the first support and then second support. But in this way I do not trade because I personally like more like scalping and day trading. That's why I just combine the 1 hourly 1 2 3 with the 1 minute 1 2 3, so that my stop loss has been smaller with 7 to 10 pips, and I can go for more. So as you can see, my stop loss is just 10 pips, and I can go for at least 20 or 30 times. That is why you can see now I'm just with you can see how much I am in profit. So my first target is like daily support area. This is my first target, this will be my first target, and once this is broken then the next target will be my more or less like a weekly support area. And if this is reached, it will give me at least 30 times profit. The next is GBPUSD trade. This is the GBPUSD trade is not a classic 1 to 3 trade in which we want retracement up 50 to 60% back to the 36 EMA. Rather than that, it was a retracement back to the trend line, and we can take this kind of trade as a bounce trade on a trend line. So you can see after a bounce on trend line, daily bounce on trend line, then I went to the 4 hourly, and on 4 hourly you can see almost there was like a trouble or a reversal signal that we can go and take this bounce trade. And you can also see that there was like on a 4 hourly the trend line is almost 3 touches or more touches, and whenever that trend line plus the 36 EMA has been broken, I went to the 1 hourly, and I directly taken this trade as a swing trade. Why? Because I do not have time and I was a little bit late. I just directly taken this trade on 1 hourly with the 13 pips of stop loss, and after the 1 hourly 1 2 3 I waited for the 4 hourly 1 2 3 so that I can re-enter the second position. And you can see I got a 4 hourly 1 2 3, and after 4 hourly 1 2 3 I again got a H1 1 2 3. I combine this H1 1 2 3 with the 1 minute 1 2 3. You can see no, this is not no, a little bit zoom out. Yeah, sorry, I after the 1 hourly 1 2 3 I just enter again. Sorry, after 1 hourly 1 2 3 I got a 1 2 3 on the 1 minute time frame, and I enter here with the stop loss of 15 pips. This is my like a re-entry or scaling entry. In this entry I do not risk anything from my capital. I just risk the equity which is built up from the initial position, and I just move the stop loss up first position a little bit more in the profit, so that if the market goes against me, you see, if the market goes against me, I will not be in the loss. I will just lose the initial risk, and but if the market goes in my favor, I will gain much more profit. And you can see there is my first target is like this area, the daily resistance, this, and if this is broken, which is already broken, then the next resistance area which comes from the weekly time frame, this will be my resistance area. And you can see if both target reach, it will give me almost like 30 times of the profit, and the market is just close to the my target area. So the first position will give me like 22 times profit, while the second position, which is in almost like 18 or 19 times profit, because the stop loss is just 15 pips, so that if it reaches, it will give me, both in combination gives me 13 times profit. With just one trade I can get 30 times profit. So now it is the time for GBPUSD trade to close. So now you can see GBPUSD is closing to my second target area. The first target area has been broken, and the price is now just reaching my second target area. And on the first trade which I have taken is almost like more than 22 times profit, and the second one is almost with the 18 times of profit. And now I am just closing all the trades because it reached my target area. And now you can see my first target area has been broken on the daily, and then the price reached my second target area, which was the next daily resistance area. So now I will just close the trade by my EHE, which I use for opening a position and closing a position. This is a risk EHE. So now is the time for closing of USDCHF trade. So now you can see the USDCHF trade, which was running from almost I think 7 hours more days, and it has just up stop loss of like 10 pips, and now it is just running with almost more than 200 pips, and now the price is struggling a lot, and the price is just lost the steam. And you can see this was my first target. The next, my original target was the next daily support, but the price did not want to reach there, and the price now just lost the steam. So I will just close the position. So you can see with just two trades, GBPUSD trade and USDCHF trade, I just made more than like 50 times or 52 times profit. Hope this helps. Catch up with you soon. Bye.